Well, it's a very rainy day today, and it took a lot of social media arm twisting to get the hikers to come out. But I think I've got a nice little group coming, and they're going to love it. It's the most beautiful time out there is when it's wet. It just brings out all the color and textures, and it's something not really natural about the rain out there. And so I hope all goes well. This is what the Rock Spring parking lot looked like when we got there. It's very exposed, and it's kind of intimidating to start a hike when things look like this. Well, Karen, what do you think of this weather today?
I think we're crazy.
We're
But
crazy.
it'll be fun.
Well, it's not quite a hurricane. I mean, but we'll manage. We're going to get out of this mess in Rock Spring parking lot where it's always like a hurricane, and get into the woods and out of the most of the rain, and
Enjoy nature.
enjoy nature. And it's really beautiful in the rain. So this is our probably last rainy day, and 6 months of sunny days is coming. So let's really enjoy this. I love the variety for a change.
Yeah, it's great.
So we're getting ready to go. Got to put on my rain pants. See, I think he's waterproof.
As opposed to all of us, right?
Yeah. Well, that's about the 15th newt we've seen this morning. How's everybody enjoying the rainy day hike?
Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful back here.
Well, I know I told you I'd buy you lunch if you said that, so don't worry.
How about a hot cup of coffee?
That would go nice. So how's everybody holding up?
Good.
Good.
Surviving.
Reminds me of my hikes back in the Adirondacks, because it always was raining in the summertime, you know? And we didn't let a little rain stop us.
Where are the Adirondacks?
Adirondacks.
Pennsylvania.
Jeez.
Pennsylvania.
Now
New
they're
York or
in New
Pennsylvania?
York. Pennsylvania's the Poconos.
Are you from there?
Yeah.
Which area?
New York.
City?
Just north. Western Japan. I went to school in the Poconos, near the Poconos. In Philly.
How you holding up, Karen?
I'm doing good.
But we never hike in the summertime.
Want a fishy?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm not
Anybody want?
Thank you.
Trails hike today were the Cataract Trail, next the Mickey O'Brien, and last the Simmons Trail, which is my favorite. And we did about 3.3 miles, elevation gain of about 400 feet, and really nice hike.